Hola. So today we're doing Espanol using things from the city of Hartford. Um, this is my first video using this app, so please bear with me. So hopefully things will get better from here. So today's lesson is going to be about ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? So I have students saying, asking, ¿Dónde vives? And they'll repeat after me. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Um, ¿Dónde vives? And is in español, and where do you live is in English. And yo vivo in this case, Hartford will be the answer. I live in Hartford. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Yo vivo en Hartford. I live in Hartford. So I have students repeat that a few times, and I don't have it here, but I usually also use a song that goes with this. So also, I um, now that my students are almost done with the school year, I will ask about ¿Dónde vives? The question ¿Dónde vives? Has a very special letter, and I will ask where or which one is that special letter. And that special letter in this case is the O because it has an accent. So donde has the special letter, the O. So ¿dónde vives? Where do you live? Yo vivo en Hartford. I live in Hartford. So there you go. Yo vivo en Hartford. So now we're going to be doing some vocabulary. Mi ciudad, mi ciudad, my city. When you say ciudad, remember the word dad, daddy. Mi ciudad, mi ciudad, my city. La alcaldía, city hall. And because we live in the city of Hartford, it's city hall. And in some places, if it's a town, it's town hall. La alcaldía. And alcaldía has a very special letter. So let's look at the word alcaldía. Yes, the I has an accent. So we have to make sure that whenever we write alcaldía, we put the I there with a very special I, which is the accent. Okay. El parque, the park. El parque, the park. So I know you guys recognize one of the parks, the Losada Park, because it's very close to our school. And later we are going to find out more about why was the park named Julio Losada and what happened and who was Julio Losada. So please come back because we will talk about that. And then the other one over here is Cold Park. I know you guys have visited that one too. Let's go with the next one. La estación de bombero. La estación de bombero. Fire station. And yes, these are also fire stations that are very close to our school. And yes, estación has a very special letter. That's the accent in the O. Estación. So please don't forget to add that special O whenever you write estación. Next one is la escuela, the school. Yes, we miss our escuela. La escuela. How many people have visited this escuela? I have. La escuela. Oops, I made a mistake here. El monumento. I don't know why it went back to, see? Blooper. Oops. El monumento, the monument. This monument is about Puerto Rican's family migrating to Hartford, and we will also talk about it later because it's a very special monument and it has a lot of history. El monumento, the monument. La iglesia, the church. So I know this church looks very familiar, and some people get it confused with another one. This one in particular is next to, is in downtown next to the museum, the Athenaeum Museum. So it's not the one that is near our school by Albany Avenue, but it looks very similar. La Iglesia, the church. This one over here is also very close to our school, House of Restoration, and this is actually first um, the first Hispanic church established in Hartford. So this has a lot of history, and yes, we will go over that later. Ooh, el tren, the train, el tren. Yes, el hospital, the hospital. Why am I not saying el hospital? Am I supposed to say el hospital, like in English, the hospital? No. Why? I know. El hospital. Whenever we use the H in Espanol, it's silent. So we don't, it's there, but we're going to pretend it's not there and just say el hospital. Uh-oh. El autobús. I gotta check this one because I believe El Autobus has an accent, so I have to, another blooper, sorry. Hmm. But I'll go back to this one. El Autobus, the bus. But guess what? If you ask people from Puerto Rico, they will say La Guagua. Yeah. But for this class, we will use autobus. So that way we all on the same page. Because different Spanish speaking in different Spanish speaking countries, bus it's different words for bus. I'm sorry, that was a tongue twister there. Another blooper. El museo. Yes, I know you guys go to El Museo, the museum, a lot with the school. La panadería, the bakery. Forgot the period here. Oops. La panadería. I know. Panadería has a very special letter too. It's the I. Panadería. Oh, I think you guys are so ready to be using all those special words. Okay. El estadio. Ooh, who is ready for the games, the Yargos games in El Estadio, the stadium? And we're just gonna do one more for today, and then Centro de la Ciudad, downtown. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So yeah, we're just gonna do this for today because it's my first video. But again, if you guys go back to the video and practice those special letters, it will be very nice. So when we come back, you can show me that you know that, for example, words like la panadería has a very special word. Like mama has a special word. Sorry, my apologies, a special letter. Papa has a very special letter. And yeah, so you just tell me that's gonna be your homework. You're gonna tell me which vocabulary words that we went over have a very special letter, and also you're going to show me words that you already know that have a special letter. Okay? Hasta luego. Video 1, I'm going to be sharing this with my friends, not with my class, but this will be a good practice for me. Okay? Miss Crispin doesn't have her glasses right now, so let's hope I can do this. Hasta luego. Bye.